Alright, what I got here is my great granddaddy's pocket watch. The jeweler wanted to charge $35 just to take the back off of it. I can't believe that. So this here's old granddaddy's old pocket watch. I figured I'd get the back off of it for him, so he's gonna go have it engraved. That looks pretty good right there. Let's see, what most people don't know, you see here, is you don't have to have the old special tool to get the back off of your watch. You just set it in here, and there's a secret. I'm sure I can get that chain. There's a secret here, and even my old grandpappy didn't know about, you know. Let's see. There's a sweet spot. You see, it's going to loosen that back up on there. Turn it around here. Oh, grandpa. I want to spend all this money, you see. You want to tap it with something light. There's a little. You'll see a little ridge. I'll see you in here. You'll find a little ridge there. Got no fingerprint. Got a fingerprint. Grandpappy's gonna kill me. I don't want to send his watch back printed up. Alright, let's see. So what we need to do, we will remove the back. As you can see, always I got my tools all laid out right, tight. I know that the sweet spot is gonna be somewhere around in there, but it's gonna be on the other side. Just saw right there, and then we want to should be able to give it 3 taps. That was 1. Should be able to give it 3 taps, and then that back just pop off. 1, 2, 3. See, that was the trick right there. Dang it! That sucker's still on there. All right. Well, I ain't got no watch. I ain't got no special tool, so I have to show you. Let's see. We'll try that one more time. 1, 2. Flip. Oh, shoot. Let me flip it. We'll tap the other side. 3. Let's see here. Well, heck, that back should have just popped right off there. Let's see. Plan B. Let's see. Special tools. Plan B. We're going to get that back off. We're going to give it one more tapping. Tap there. Let's see. Dang it, the back is still on it. Dang it, let's see. Is the back still on it? Oh, here we go. There we go. There we go. Look. Now, the back's off. Yup. Back's off. Hold on a minute, though. They ain't gonna be able to engrave that. Worth the darn. I'm going to go ahead and pull the front off for him too. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Right. And come up there. Back and the front are almost off. Now we can get it engraved for pop. Alright, everybody, W-Watch Repair 101, there it is. And like I say, the back is off. And I went ahead and took the front off for him too. They could go ahead and get it all cleaned up, get all polished up. And there you go. Oh, Grandpappy gonna be proud of me.